Insomnia, as what we're defining it right now, is trouble getting to sleep and or trouble staying asleep and or waking up early, given enough opportunity to get to sleep and stay asleep, with next day consequences.
My dreams haunt me, my foes taunt me, I'm pessimistic, probably tripping, handlebars alternate dimensions, skin itching, I'm only sane when I'm vague or twisting, mind racing, rarely repenting for my sinning. I'm Andre Drummond with the easy shot, my team been stocked, we used to smoke that goon behind the easy shop, you a easy pop, catch you slipping and they scheming, never trick, no fear of foe, ganja got me breathing slow, proceed to smoking, plotting on the team to blow, don't worry about no scheming, hoe, see a hoe, pass the blunts, my weed she roll, turn the camera on, we gon' make a movie scene in mo, say I'm dreaming, but I don't even sleep.
substances when I feel like this. I don't need, I'm in a kush coma, same coma. I don't know if I can last longer. I don't sleep. Substances when I feel like this. I don't sleep, don't sleep, I don't sleep. Bitch.
It's around the end of July, and sleep has become a total stranger. I try to stay in a good frame of mind throughout this time, amidst all the things falling apart around me. But it seems in those twilight hours, those voices, those suggestions, that influence in my head seems to get stronger and stronger. And I feel it pulling me to a dark place. I try to rise above it, but I don't know how much longer I can hold on. 50 million bitches in my trousers, piles of money on the floor, get a style of your own, cause mine's like the chrome automatic, so dope I make a junkie turn Baptist. Score twice tonight, one more, be a hat trick, a whole bunch of Joes, man, your squad just average. I'm Magic Johnson, too sick to ball, too sick of y'all lying ass bastards. Before I turn back, I put myself in that casket, had to fuck that bitch without a plastic. Damn, I'm in a rubber, stupid ass bitch, thought that shit, man, I love her. Stupid ass bitch shit, I don't even cuddle. I had to search through all the rubble just to get my people out the struggle. It's a puzzle to those who don't believe. Stress in my brain and nigga hard for me to breathe, but I'm never on my knees cause I never seem to pray. Some say that's tragic, life like Hamlet. Talking to the sky never got me no answers. Had to make my own ones, fighting off these demons on my shoulders, and this is why I'm hardly ever sober. Don't trip my nigga, gon' take a hit. Don't trip my nigga, gon' take a sip. Don't trip my nigga, gon' put that bitch. Don't trip my nigga, On the verge of feeling stranded, AK-47s taking kids from their family. All this trap shit turn niggas into lies. Songs about how they flipping birds and selling pies. My God, opposite of real. When most of these niggas ain't been up in the field, ain't never did a bid, ain't never hit a lick. But that's just fine, there's a better way to live. It's hard telling that to the kid in the dark, cause his mama couldn't make the light payments by the fourth. Or that boy in the court, head down, no smile on his face. He didn't really do the crime, wrong time, wrong place. Niggas wanna lie about their deeds in the street when most thugs do what they do just to eat. But instead you wanna really prove what you about, promoting all these killings in your hood. Look around, look for change, look out for your brother. We don't have to keep taking sons from their mothers. My demons say I'm bugging, I'm just really wondering what the fuck is going on, and they tell me don't trip my nigga, gon' take a hit. Don't trip my nigga, gon' take a sip. Don't trip my nigga, gon' put that bitch. Don't trip my nigga, Don't trip my nigga, gon' take a hit. Don't trip my nigga, gon' take a sip. Don't trip my nigga, don't fuck that bitch. Don't trip my nigga, nah. Roll up blood, take a hit, my nigga. Don't pour the Henny, take a sip, my nigga. Don't fuck yourself for that bitch, my nigga. Don't take a motherfucking hit, my nigga. Just
she love me when I'm in it, but I leave her in the morning about 10 and I'm zoning. Eyes get to rolling, said I probably pass out any moment. Don't worry where we going, I just need sleep. All these niggas sheep, I'ma still breathing when you dream. Still that nightmare when you scream, still there when you looking for the fling.
In the back of the house, back on it, catch my balls in the back of your mouth. Shit was happening, now are we acting it out? And you say I'm irrational, how does that sound to a nigga who be living in his own world? I see you at home, bring your home girl, I just wanna watch. I don't wanna listen when you talk, cause I'm busy getting caught up with my thoughts. What you thought, what you think that I need from you? Don't smile in my face, your words don't mean nothing, I see through you. I killed all my demons too. What time Messiah? Believe the truth eye to eye. This is from me to you. This is what dreams will do. This is what sleep will do. This is when what time believing you. Sharing my vision, just see it through. I'm glad you see it too. I feel unbelievable, this isn't feasible. Freeing my mind for a fear to say you need sleep. Shit, I don't agree with you. Up for Sade, see the world from a steep of you sitting back plotting. Watch how you talk to the shaman. 5 eyes they open. Guess we have nothing in common. Just to be honest, my mind is a mosh pit.
I can't sleep yet, ain't got high yet. I can't sleep yet, ain't got high yet. Tryna eat on these tracks, I'm on a track to fuck up my diet. Just don't let me die yet. I ain't new to this flying, I've been a pilot since I found out I was grounded. Not by my parents, but by awareness. You can't compare to this wear and tear, it's apparent. You ain't been in the presence of rarity. So let me have this moment of clarity. First of all, you should be scared of me. Go say a prayer for me, I haven't laid in weeks. These dreams so real to me, I have to fake a sleep. Insomnia is just creeping on me. There's something else creeping on me. Like the Voodoo child, I had to slay my demons. Time it come and goes just like the seasons. A little too high, now my conscience leaving. And I'm barely breathing, Relax, I'm paranoid, too many reasons. That's why I can't sleep, man. That's why I can't sleep, man. That's why I can't sleep, man. Can't tell you what love's like. I can only tell you what these drugs like. I'm walking on a ray of sunlight. I feel invincible. You all are minuscule. I had to lose my fucking principles just to get to you. The world made me cold and cynical. God couldn't save me. Niggas form religion to feel safety. 5 eyes open, stupid bitch, you cannot play me. These my inner thoughts, I had to put them out on HD. I had to drain a nigga of his HP. Leave him earthbound if he flexing with the KP. It didn't take long for you to hate me. It didn't take long for me to realize I'm not crazy. So it won't be long before you praise me. Trace these bitches in my mind when I'm sleeping, man, it feel like I'm dying. You let me slip away, it's obvious you wasn't trying. Now I need a Oprah in the worst way. Overdosed and rise on the 3rd day. This is way deeper than some wordplay. I'm staring at the sun with a burn face. A bullet to the brain will make it turn blank. These voices in my head, they don't concern me. Never stress about the serpents, I know they lurk. And they try to use their lies like a blindfold, but I can see the truth with my eyes closed. Yeah, they try to use their lies like a blindfold, but I can see the truth with my eyes closed. You can talk to God with your mind closed, but you can be a god before your time's over. Upprs got my time going faster than a virgin heartbeat. First time they grind slow. I know the world can leave you ice cold. I'm stranded in this ice, so I'm running off of fumes. Running off these drugs, shit, I'm running from myself. But my demons catching up with me. And no, I don't need your company. Better yet, divert your eyes from me. Upprs make it hard for me to sleep. Yeah, these upprs make it hard for me to dream. Man, these upprs, man, that's all I really need. All these upprs have a crawling on the knees. Yeah, these upprs make me taller than the trees. Man, these upprs help me see through all the schemes. Man, these upprs keep me hauled up in my room. Man, these upprs let me know what's coming soon. Man, these upprs, they gon' lead me to my doom. They gon' lead me to my doom. And that doom's coming soon, I can tell.
Just between you and me, Fats, I don't think I belong here. I don't think I fit in.
Oh, nonsense. Of course you do.
No, I mean it. It's just somebody must have goofed. If I gotta stay here another day, I'm gonna go nuts. Look, I don't belong in heaven, see? I wanna go to the other place.
Heaven? Whatever gave you the idea you were in heaven?
The love is never ending when the drugs here, but you don't really love me when the drugs fake. Cause some days I'm staring at your face, your heart is pure blank, so don't you dare say inside my room is where you feel safe. Cause I don't feel shit, this not my real face. I had to wear a mask to cover up the fact that uppers can be bad. Just do it so that I don't feel that pain no more. It's 3 a.m. and I don't really think I'm sane no more. I see it clearer, have a peek inside my brain once more. It's like pain galore, I wanna paint you more. Not afraid of the levels that you aiming for. I'm not fazed by the devils that you came with. Just very cautious of your presence, watch the way you move. Cause you the one I really want when I escape the tomb. But right now I could really use a break from you. Cause I would hate to bring you down to this abyss with the chains on my mind, just like the shackles on my wrist. And it's funny how I don't really fit into that cage handmade by society. Want a higher power, I'm not property. Mention me, just say my name properly, every single word, or don't talk to me. Sometimes I think I'm the only one who tend to think like this. The dreams I miss share the same location where the Reaper live, where your secrets live. I wanna see you at your lowest, baby girl. ODing off the smack, you try your hardest not to Earl. Now your eyes rolling back and your lines going flat. You were so pretty when you left, I just have to bring you back. But that adrenaline is needed, just like defense in the final seconds. Heathens with the final method, scheming just to be impressive. Weed, it seemed to leave me breathless. Mr. Gardner, find my conscience, treated like a sparring partner. You can't tell me nothing, I'm immune to karma. Did it for the bigger picture, I'm a martyr. In the dark is where you see the stars. Baby, in your eyes is where I see your scars. You must realize just who you truly are, and that's little. Just a mortal who was riddled with a simple mindset. Man, I'm tryna show you light, but you don't know, you blind. Yeah, how you think they righteous when they tell you lies? Yes, I knew my past since I was young, never indecisive. And I'm on a high, bitch, but I might just realize that I need to calm down, 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 down. I need to calm down, 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 down. No matter how up, you always calm down, 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 down. I need to calm down, 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 down. I need to calm down. Shit, I need to calm down. shit, I'd probably be dead if it wasn't for that Vega in my system. 5 vibes, 5 dimensions, get to twisting, get to twitching. Shit, I wrote to send attention back in 06. Oh shit, just some young niggas using no sense. Know this, I was told you hear that chopper chop, then get to chopping. Shooting back was not an option. Blow their house up like we bossing. No, we mobsters, round tables with the pasta and the lobster. Watch your partner, fuck a partner. I got brothers, Virgin Mary, that's my mother. Why these hoes so undercover? But I treat it like it's nothing. David Ruffin, boy, you just a temptation. Catch me poolside with like 12 butt naked Asians. Crash Bandicoot on PlayStation, amazing. I feel like I'm in heaven with my brethren, man. We gotta learn a lesson before they split us up in sections. Fuck the section, causing wreckage in my mental. Shit ain't simple. Take the pencil, write some scriptures, take the pain, but I resent you, man. All that bullshit in and they still miss the issue. Now here I am, here I am, and here I go. 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 When I'm with you, nothing else seems to matter. Nothing else really matters, baby girl. When I'm with you, nothing else really matters, shit. Nothing else really matters, shit. Niggas think I'm joking, I ain't playing like a mascot. I have not, baby, keep on stripping, keep sweat up in the backdrop. Noose around my neck like I'm Fred with the ascot. OJ Simpson with the fucking hand off, your man soft. Me and Forrest tryna burn some grams off. You shall not pass, got me feeling like I'm Gandalf. The white upper nose, she take the rush and take them pants off. Now the throttle off, Jewish bitch, she can't mazel tov unless she swallow balls. And don't trip when I ignore calls, I ignore your flaws. Probably cause I don't have none. And I told you once, ain't shit between us but this magnum. A magnetic force is drawing me to you. What are we to do? She want my love, she want my name. Shit, she want my ceilings too. Manifest and grow, that's what evil do. But it make me smile just a little when I think of you. When I think of you, when I think of you, I think of you. Yeah, baby, you're gorgeous. Love stronger than forces. Body just like a fortress. And I just wanna penetrate. Take you on a dinner date. Hold your hand when we walk. Drop you off when it's getting late. Why not get with me? Balance symmetry. Roll my weed when we getting geeked. Hold my guillotine. Behead every enemy in infantry. This is war when we in the sheets. Cause ain't shit fair but your bleach blonde hair and that nice supple ass. I'm glad we met last year while you was walking to your class. And I was walking to the weed spot with the pink Reeboks. Quickly caught your eye now. Nothing really matters, not the time, nor a place, nor a date, nor a season. Cheesing while I'm thinking and I'm guessing you're the reason. The only problem is that these bitches want my penis. So I fuck them, then I leave them. But I always keep my feelings to myself. To my goddamn self. Keep my feelings to my goddamn self. Keep it right, nigga, feeling to my goddamn self, yeah.
96, I was born a human sacrifice to a virgin mother and a pops I couldn't gratify. Get your baggage right before you check with me, cause I was good time rolling, corn smoking, choking all up in my Buick on my lonesome. Ain't no help for me, it's just hell for me. All these lucid dreams and I can barely sleep. Kurt was legend and I did it with no felony. I heard her name was Beverly, that body heal like medicine. Nigga, I am heaven sent, just ask your reverend. I was waiting at the gates but they didn't let me in. Fuck it, I just do it on my own. Summertime, I sneak your ass to the park and now it's on, just ride along. Where we going, I don't know, but I feel chosen. Take this cruise, I tend to think of you. Seasons change, rearrange my demons too. No problems being true, just problems seeing you through all that bullshit that you tend to spew. I'm kneeling in the pew, I raise my hands to get a different view. It's all about the principles and dividends. Look into my eyes and you can see the end. I'm up, I'm down, I'm running from my inner thoughts. I need some inner peace, I need some fucking sleep. Assassinate my dreams, but they can't take my being. You know what I mean, I feel like all my life I've been that nigga. All my life I shine that light up on these bitches. Man, I'm tripping, they can't take my soul from me in the first place. Risen in this feeling like the third day, the motherfucking third day.
Good morning, Don Thompson, your host for the show of the same name at 7.5 minutes past 10 o'clock. If you'd like to know what the temperature is, it's still below the freezing mark at 31 degrees in Dallas. Skies are clear and it's awfully chilly.
Go to sleep, 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 go to sleep, 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 sleep.